Hey garden people, today we're going to show you how you can make a wreath from anything in your backyard. Rita is ready. First things first, we're going to find some vining material. We're looking for sturdy yet flexible vines that we can wrap into a circle. We happen to have a lush wisteria vine, so we're going to snip about 1 to 2 feet sections of the vine. The younger vines usually bend the easiest. Grapevine also works well, but choose any vining plant you have available. Next, we're going to grab some wire cutters and a wire hanger. These aren't necessary, but they make the craft a bit easier. Bend the wire hanger into a circular shape. Then, with wire cutters, snip the hook off and twist the ends together. If you don't have wire cutters, simply bend the hook into the circular shape as best you can. Next, grab your longest, sturdiest pieces of vine and twist around the hanger. We want to fully wrap the vine so the hanger is hidden. This requires a bit of finessing, but take your time. We want this to be a solid base for the rest of the wreath. For the bottom layers of vine, I'm snipping off any leaf foliage. But for the last pieces, I'll choose vines with prettier leaves and shape them around the wreath for a balanced look. With a solid base, it's time to forage accent materials. Make sure to pick stems as long as you can in order to weave it through your wreath. I like the deep red leaves from our Japanese maple. This honeysuckle smells delightful with its delicate flowers. Lavender will add a cool textural element. We'll cut some of the last vibrant flowers from our yarrow. Rosemary is the definition of the holidays in look and scent. And we have this amazing hawthorn tree with beautiful little red berries. With all our materials in hand, sort them by type and lay them out in front of you for easy picking. Grab yourself some twine and scissors as backup for difficult to wrap plants. Then, start decorating. It's helpful to establish early on where the top of the wreath will be. Then as you add materials, you can keep in mind how it will look hung up. We'll add our leafy foliage first, finding the right placement so the wreath feels balanced. To add pieces to the wreath, try to weave them through open spaces in the vines, twisting the stems around the structure. It can often feel like piecing a puzzle together, so hopefully you like puzzles. These hawthorn branches are definitely the main piece to this festive wreath, so I'm going to take extra care in placing and spacing them so that this wreath feels lush and balanced. Just make sure the plants feel secure in their place, or else it might fall apart. If some pieces simply can't twist around or weave through, then get out your twine and tie the plants to your base. I like to do a knot and a bow tie so it still looks nice. We'll incorporate our sprigs of rosemary so that they all face the same way around the wreath and overlap each other a bit. Then we'll add the lavender as little elements of surprise. And lastly, our vibrant yarrow spaced evenly throughout to give the wreath a touch of happiness. And there you have it. To complete, just wrap a little twine around the top so you can easily display your beautiful, festive, homegrown wreath. Happy wreath making, and thanks for watching.